One race.
I need to make one more video.
One track. Two racers. One racer will take it off.
Take it off.
Fine.
Dun, 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 dun. There's the world's big Grand Prix. And we are about
Who will win? Decide after the intro. Hey guys, the Blue Wolf here. How is it going? Today we're back here once again. Today we are, since for our 10 subscriber, we are going to do a cat truck versus a cat bulldozer.
and we are about to see who can win.
Yep, we're about to see which one is the bestest.
Yeah,
Will it be the bulldozer? I'm gonna be the bulldozer, and my 6th subscriber is gonna be the service.
This is my first channel of the channel, and
Yeah, and I think.
but
Yep,
I don't know if I can make my video.
Okay, so listen, I'll show you how. Okay, so here I have a controller. Here's my bulldozer. So this is how to move up and down. Yeah. Yep. Here's how to do left up, which makes this part. I'll show you. Like that.
Here's how you lift your monitor up.
Yeah, like that. These are just for songs.
And they have a song too.
Yeah.
I pretty much like the song.
Yep. Yeah. Yep. We have this part. We have this. I'm not sure what that does.
Which is the caterpillar power. Okay, I'll stop it.
And that's
There's
the
the
horn.
horn.
Okay, I think it's time to get ready.
There's the horn. It's right there.
Okay, they're coming.
Go.
Five, 3, 2,
1,
go! The races are off. Okay, bulldozer. The bulldozer makes it up.
Mix it up. And this has bulldozer power. I don't know, but this is rechargeable. The cactus this truck doesn't have too much power in it, so
Neither does this bulldozer. These are a little old, but don't get me wrong, I still like these.
no, this one's out of batteries. Maybe I should have got plus the one, which would be the same as that. Because we put in some new batteries in this.
Yeah, you should have put some red butter. Alex, I think you have to keep it there. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't want to go too far. Okay, now here I go. Oh.
These bulldozers don't steer too much.
There it goes.
Oh, man. Mine's stuck. Here. Guys, mine needs a little power into it. Okay. Okay, there's one way to run this toy. This is that guy that you see. Okay, repairs.
Okay. Up.
Down.
Okay, here's where we come to the finals.
Here we come.
Mine's gonna be a simple one. Okay, let's see which one's on the lead. Oh, mine did not move.
To finish. I'm gonna finish first.
Oh, we'll see about that, Alex. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Think I can move that?
You just have to move it.
Oh, thank you. Alex, one, focus on yours.
The power is on.
Wait a minute, who's gonna win?
Who's gonna win for sure? 8.
Wait a minute, come on, Alex, you guys see? No. Ah! I won!
Oh,
Okay.
you won.
With the winner for
this winner's opponent is Aiden's truck.
or the blue wolf. The blue wolf won with the 6 subscriber. They almost tied, for instance. The Bulldozer almost beated the cat truck. But maybe next time, this next subscriber special will be the next subscriber special will be at 20 subscribers. So keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Good work. And if you want to see more of the
If you guys want to check out the Aiden's channel, then go to his phone. It's pretty cool. Or if I want to go on YouTube.
Yeah, go. Yeah, if you want to see, if you want to see more races, then we'll do 11 subscribers. We'll have the next one. The next time will be 20 subscribers. 20 subscriers. So keep up the good work, subscribers. I like it. Keep up the good work, my subscribers. Yeah, I think that's about it. Man, it's hot. And keep up the good work. Yeah. I hope you guys will subscribe more.
Yep, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye-bye now.
Subscribe if you want to see. Next time will be 20 subscribers. And if we don't make it then, I'm not sure what's going to happen. I hope we'll see more in the future. Well, see ya, my future subscribers.
And see you on Aiden's channel, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Select a video you want to watch next.